thing. Okay, let's make sure my... Hun, did you see it rattle? I'm serious. This is like the highest point in the water. Are we going to get electrocuted?
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Coffee, Spirits, and Cats Pajamas, where we travel around the world and I just show you some interesting places.
Totally got locked out. Oh, of course. Oh, I see. I got it. Yeah. All right. The storm in the middle of the day, but I mean that's expected. We're in a tropical weather, but oh my gosh, this top is collecting a lot of water. Hopefully, we won't get electrocuted from from the lightning. All right. Still getting wet. Okay. Okay. Should I? All right. It's a bit choppy. We got this, I think. Oh, that's a lot of water coming down. Woo. All right. Yikes. Ah. All right, so this is good for the sun, not for the rain, I have to say. Because the rain comes on the sides, and this cannot help you with that. Well, it's to be expected. What are you going to do? Honey, are you having fun? It's a thunderstorm. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see how long it takes us to go back. I'm gonna put on my thing. Okay, let's make sure my... Hun, did you see it rattle? I'm serious. This is like the highest point in the water. Are we going to get electrocuted? Why are you pedaling? Why are you pedaling faster? Oh, now you're scared. Are you scared now? Okay, why did our canopy rattle? Honey, what are you doing? Why? I thought you're not scared. Isn't this fun? But why did our thing rattle? Did you hear it?
Yeah!
So why do you think?
Because it was fucking loud!
Oh my God! Okay, let's stay close to the shore. You're right. I've never seen you paddle that fast. You know what? The good thing is I was filming. We got that on the camera. I did.
Was it pointing the right to left?
I was pointing front.
That's so loud.
Yeah, that was super loud. Yeah. I know this whole thing shook.
Unfortunately, the camera didn't capture the lightning.
Okay, that's it. That's one adventure. Oh my god. Okay, so we did learn that that happens when the thunderstorm happens. We could, well, we're learning, right? Maybe not be in the water when there's a thunderstorm. Oh shit! Ah!
Let's get off.
Are you serious? Okay. Oh god, that was scary. What about your rudder? Do you want me to put it up?
Honey,
Do you want me to get off?
Gotta get off.
Okay, I got it. Hold on. Give me a second. Okay. Okay. We leave everything?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
And there's an El Paso.
Yeah, I know. I wanted to pick it up. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I have to hook up my thingy.
Just use me as a way to walk off of it.
Okay.
I got it.
Oh.
You're not. It's not.
Honey, stop saying it's not, okay? Because it doesn't help me. Okay. Once I put on myself.
Oh.
Okay. Oh shit, that's slippery. Okay. Oh shit, I'm gonna fall. Hold me, hold me. You want me to get where? Right. I don't think we should be in metal rods under, huh?
Okay, well, what do you want, a tree?
Yeah, let's go under that tree or something. There's no way it's a good idea. Ooh, that's a big storm. It's a big storm. Look at that.
There's still another
Yeah.
I think the fire's still here.
I think we should go to the house.
Go to the house. Run. This is as safe as you can get, right?
Yeah, I think so. Well,
That thunder was so loud. Have you ever been that close?
no, I haven't.
I haven't.
Well, I saw the lightning like right there, and I'm like, oh shit.
Yeah, oh shit is right.
We're gonna get electrocuted. Right?
He touches me, makes me see that I am the ocean, like it was meant to be.
Okay, thank you.
He touches my heart
Okay, all right.
with fire of love, brings me to silence.
Okay.
So I could put it sideways.
Yeah, that would be great.
He touches my soul,
Oh, shit.
making me whole. Gives me clean eyes to
I'm
see,
gonna sit.
to
Do this
find the
way.
Buddha in me. Leave you my dreams.
I'm good.
You're on?
Yeah, I'm on.
I'm gonna push you out of the way.
Okay. Back on our Hobie iTrek 9. Woo, that was an adventure. Woo! Alright, still sprinkling, but we see some. Hopefully, we won't get electrocuted on our back. We should be fine. You okay? A little bit of venture. Whew. Say, this type of venture, if I really want it. Whew. All right. Supposed to help with the sun, but it also helps with the rain. All right, let's get back to land where our hotel is. One thing about these tropical storms is that typically they don't last for hours. I think we waited about 30 minutes or so. Ooh, still hot. Water's warm. And we are headed back. Make sure this is all packed up and nice.